Okay, here's part one, my excavator collection. We have a few old time machines, drag lines, face shovel, back actor, couple of old cats, 60, RD8, track shovel, couple of different variations of the cat D2, couple of Chinese machines, Sani, Lu Gong, large scale case 580, some old Terexes, dozer, wheel loader, scraper, dump truck, another D2 International, Oliver, couple of levers, couple of JCB 3CXs, couple of models I have got room for, classic construction cat D8 hydraulic, onto 24 scale D8T, another D8T anti-glare and a D8T white. We have some old poclains, Terexes, Honkays, P&H's, Clark Lima, big lever, mining shovels, Terex, Hitachi, RH 400, 300, 996 Liber, RH 340, Hitachi, T-Mag, Cat, some old Hitachis, old poclains, an old Euclid dozer, 575A super dozer, 996 Liber backhoe, a Marion super front, quite a rare model, RH200, and 996 Liber, couple of 996 Libers. Okay, that's part one. Thank you.